Advantages of wood flooring. Hello friends, wood flooring has many advantages over other types of flooring available on the market. It adds warmth, character, and style to any property whether old or new. Initial costs are admittedly slightly higher than carpet or linoleum, but they can last a lifetime if regular maintenance and necessary repairs are carried out correctly. Carpets, linoleum, or laminate products, unfortunately, don't fare as well over time regarding general wear and tear, so you may find yourself replacing these far more often as the years go by, and in turn costing you more time and money than initially expected. Floor durability. Wood floors, whether solid or engineered, are highly durable and resistant to everyday wear and tear. Due to them being natural products, they hold the warmth much better than any man-made laminates, tiles, or stone floors, so underfoot they are much more comfortable, especially in the colder months of the year. Laminates are always cold to the touch, so although the initial cost benefits are good, aspects such as this will ultimately always make wood flooring a more appealing alternative. Maintenance and hygiene. General maintenance and cleaning of a wooden floor couldn't be easier. Wood floors are more resistant to liquid spills and dirt, so simply wiping or brushing these away is incredibly easy, unlike if the same were to happen on a carpeted area. Straight away, this gives you a little more peace of mind when cleaning up after children or pets. Hygienically, wood floors are far better than carpets. Pet owners and allergy sufferers will particularly benefit from this, as wood floors do not harbor parasites such as fleas, dust mites, ticks, or allergen-producing spores. Also, unpleasant odors left behind by pets or liquids that have been spilled will no longer be an issue thanks to the simplicity of cleaning a wooden floor. Timeless style. The timeless appeal of a wood floor is often overlooked, and unlike any carpets, linoleum or tile patterns do not suffer from going in and out of fashion. No one plank is ever the same, so color and shade variances add a further authentic, natural appeal to any floor space. Wood flooring has been used throughout homes for centuries, so you can rest assured that the same trend will not change for years to come, ensuring you save time and money in the future. Another benefit is if the floor begins to look tired after years of use, you can simply sand and seal the wood again, instantly reviving it back to its original state. Great investment. Price and budget are always a factor when purchasing any floor covering. Wooden flooring has a whole spectrum of price brackets, from inexpensive to pricier options, so you will always find something that fits your budget. Wood floors are a great investment whether you're installing them into rented accommodation or your own property. The aesthetic appeal to any prospective buyer or tenant will most certainly be increased, ensuring the chance of reaching an agreement with either party quickly. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.